Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video vlog. So first things first, I have some yarn that I want to open in front of you guys. So these are the two packages of yarn. Let's start with this one because it's already almost open. This is the first yarn. It's a brown, I think it's Aran Weight brown yarn. So I have had this yarn before. Actually, this is the yarn which I use for my sunflowers, the circle sunflowers that you might know, and it's a best seller. So I was running out of this yarn, so I ordered two skeins of it. Now moving on to this package, I think most of the things that are there in this package are for a custom order, and rest are some of the yarns that I was basically out of. So it's a very few yarn. I ordered more than just what I order for custom order, just because I had to get free delivery, because you guys know free delivery is everything. So yeah, let's see. So I think we have a theme going on right here. Clearly we have lots of blue, a white, and then a green yarn. So I'm going to show you all of them and tell you the composition and how much it was for. So basically, if I tell you the composition of this is 100% acrylic 8 ply yarn, and I got this for, I can't see it, but on the label it says 4.99, but I think it was on 50% off. I got found the receipt, which is not clear, but I think I got it for 2.99. Yeah, so this was for 2.99 rupees. And now let's move on to our hobby store yarn. You guys know how much I love this yarn. Still not sponsored by Magic Readers, but I'm going to show you all of them. So firstly, I can see this very pretty, I believe it's called leaf green. Yes, so this is leaf green color. I use this to make my car hangers, leaf, and all that stuff. So I was running out of it, so I bought one more skein. So basically, again, the color is called leaf green. It is 100 gram, 3.52 ounces, 190 meter, 207 yards, and it is for 225 rupees. But I got it for 128 rupees. And this suggests to use a 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and knitting needles. Again, this is leaf green. Love the color. Moving on, I'm going to stick with Aran Weights right now. So we have this one. This is called Alaska Blue. I really like this. I think this is like the school blue color that I had. Again, the composition, everything is the same. It's weight 4 medium and it's a bit rough, but it's okay. Then we have three of these royal blue color. I think I love the color. This is the primary color of our scarf. So again, same composition, everything is the same. I really like the feel of this yarn. And yeah, I think this is all the Aran Weight stuff I had. And last but not the least, I got some white, basic white, but this is DK weight. So basically, let me tell you more about this one. This is 100 gram, 3.52 ounces, 320 meter or 350 yard, and this is weight 3 yarn, if you can see. And it suggests to use a 4 millimeter crochet, 4 millimeter knitting needle or 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. So these are like all the yarns that we have gotten. I am going to start recording another video specifically for me making this custom order. Yeah, so that will be a whole separate video.
10 years later.
It's been a couple of days. Today is November 1st, so I thought it's a great time to tell you all about October month. As a small business owner and as someone who just launched a new website, although if you guys are following my short series, you might know that we have just made a couple of sales as of right now. But again, that's okay. It's just been 10 days since launching my website, so I don't mind that. But I also sell my products offline at my shop, and also that I have been like, I have restocked the items in my shop just, I think on 17th October or something, because it was raining and it did not make sense to have crochet products in the shop because it's just a lot of hassle. So basically, I have a couple of keychains and clips on my shop. So it's like 1,500 rupees items that I make specifically for the shop sometimes. I'm planning to bring the keychains also to my online shop, but I have to like make it two pair of two, because one, I can't really afford the shipping and the charges and all that. So I have my book here. You know this book. Love the quote again. It says, do small things with great love. The philosophy of my life, basically. So I have written every sale that we have done in this month, all from the website as well as from our online shop. Again, something to note, the website was launched on 20th of October, and the shop items in my shop were started from 17th of October. So this is basically like a 2 weeks kind of thing, but again, it's okay. So let's start with our orders. So of online and offline orders, total we made 3,080 rupees total in this month from all of our orders. I did not have any markets or anything like that this month. So the total is a bit low, but I think it's fine for 14 days. Again, I have my full-time job as well. So it's not that I depend on this income for all of my stuff, but I really want to do that in the future, like do it full time. Again, as for offline, we made 900 rupees offline, and for online we made 2180 rupees. We did total of 15 transactions this month as well, which is great given that it was just for 15. And for November, I'm hoping we could double it because we have a whole month and this is going to be a great month as well. So that was all for my small business wrap up. Now we are going to move ahead to our YouTube statistics. So I have my laptop right here, and now I'm going to tell you how much views and how much likes and all of that jazz or subscribers I had. Also, something to note that I am not yet monetized on YouTube, so there is no income, but I just wanted to share as a new YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, what are my stats as of this month, that is October. Again, September was great for my growth. I gained over 110 subscribers because one of my video did really great. This month none of my videos like did great as it did last month, but because of that video and some of my shorts did really well because I'm posting a new short every day. So those were some of the reasons the views are really high. So I'm going to quickly search through it and I'll tell you all of it. Okay, so now the details I'm telling you are for aggregate both videos and shorts. In total, we had 56,400 views this month. Again, most of them were shorts, but the watch time was 362 hours and 326.2 hours. So that is okay. That's not great at any level. And total subscribers that we gained this month were 89 subscribers, a little less than last month, but I am aiming to reach 100 this month. So fingers crossed. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I would love to 800 subscribers this month. So yeah, fingers crossed. So moving on to 3 of my best performing videos this month specifically. All 3 of them are shorts, of course. The first one is for my Pinterest earphone pouches. Again, a huge shout out to Abby Cases. I really don't know her username, but she was the inspiration behind that reel and it did great. So thank you so much, Abby, for the idea. So second one was day 4 of my video series where I showed how I got reviews without any orders. That is doing great. And the third one was me packing my first order. So those were top 3. One of them I think gained around 15,000 views, which is not much, but it's okay. I am growing. I'll reach the 5-digit mark one day, and that day will be soon. So as for like specifically the videos, I had like 5,000 views on my videos overall this month, which is not really great. I am trying to improve, I promise. But again, 5,000 were for videos specifically, and the rest were for the shorts. So like 51,000 were for the shorts. And again, the top 2 videos that really did good for me this month were one, a yarn haul. Obviously, the yarn haul are very famous. And the second one was the market vlog, which took off last month, and it was still doing great this month, like October month as well. I think that is going to be it for this video. It was just a short video. I wanted to show the new yarn and I wanted to tell the wrap up of my month. I am manifesting that we double our sales, the views, the subscribers, everything this month, and this month is going to be great. So yeah, let's just keep manifesting, and I know we are going to reach there one day, hopefully soon. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If you like such kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. I also post yarn hauls, market videos, weekly vlogs, and I am also doing a special series where I post one video every day. So stay tuned. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below what other kinds of video I should make. I'll see you next week. Bye.